Hi, hello and welcome to lecture 5 for the Linux command line. Let's go ahead and open our terminal window. Perfect. Let's do a very fast recap of what we have done the last 4 lectures. So we have done the date command, the calendar command, the ls command, list command. We have done the make directory command. I actually didn't tell you how to make multiple folders in same time. So you can say make directory folder 1. If I go to the CD desktop, you can say make directory folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Perfect. So you can make multiple folders at once. Let's just delete them now. Okay, we have learned the cp command, the copy command, with the general form file name 1, file name 2, any number of files, and to a given directory. And we have learned the move command, same thing as the copy command, except it just cut all the files, so it doesn't leave a copy. It just move it exactly like literally move it to another directory. Pretty good. And we have used the less command to view text file and the more command to also view text files, and the only difference is that more command just view the text file in the command line, while the less command executes a program to view the text file. So I will use more for a shorter text files, and I will use less for a bigger text files. And we also learned, I think that's actually what we have learned until now. Oh yeah, and we have learned the cd command and the cd 2 dots to go to the parent directory, and cd to go to the home directory straight away. So today we are going to learn 2 commands, very easy commands, and we are also going to learn a wildcard. So I will tell you what a wildcard means in 2 minutes. Perfect. Let's learn the pwd command. What is pwd? So if I just write pwd, it prints the path of the directory. So it gives you the it's actually pwd translates for print working directory. So it's very easy command, just tell you the path. So if you go to the cd workspace, if you go to cd workspace and cd oracle and cd bin and say pwd, it just print the path for the bin directory. So it's, you see, home, kabari, workspace, oracle, bin. Perfect. And if you just go to the home directory and they send pwd, just print the home directory there. So it's a very easy command, as there is no variations of pwd. So that's one. The other command is file, and then you give file name or a directory name. This is the general form of a file command. File means just print the type of the file. So if I go to the desktop, of course we know that, right? This is like the spreadsheet for Excel, for a spreadsheet for the Linux. So it's like the Excel version of Linux. So if I say less excel.ods, maybe a binary file. Oh, sorry, it's not less. No, I don't want to see it. If I say file excel.ods, it says, you see here, it says excel.ods is an open document spreadsheet. So it gives you the file type. And if I say file desktop2, it will say desktop is simply a directory. So it's a pretty easy command. It just displays the type of a given file. Actually, you can view this spreadsheet with the less command. So if you say less excel.ods and you just type y, as you can see here, it opens the excel.ods, but it's a mess. So let's see if you can view it with more. Excel.ods, and you can even view it with more. Perfect. So these are the two commands that we have learned today: the pwd command and the file command. We're also going to learn one more command, which is we will going to learn the star command. So what is a wildcard? A wildcard is a single character that have a special meaning in Linux command line. So star means everything or all files. So if I go to desktop and say, let's make a directory first, call it folder1. So if I say cp star and put it into folder1, what this command will execute? It will copy everything and put it in the folder1, except it will not copy the desktop and the Linux command line, because as we said, you cannot copy directories into another directory, you can only move them. So if I say cp star folder1, you see, and if you open folder1 now, you see that Excel and text1 are already copied. And it says here that it's omitting directory desktop2, and it's also omitting folder1 because you cannot copy these two directories into another directory. Perfect. And if we delete this one, let's make two new folders. Let's say make directory folder1, folder2. And let's move everything we have here into folder2. So we'll say move star folder2. Perfect. As you see, it's magic. You have moved everything in folder2, except you see here it says move cannot move folder2 to a subdirectory of itself. That makes sense. You cannot move this. You cannot move a folder into the same folder. Doesn't make sense, right? So it's just this is like an explanation of why it can't move folder2 into folder2. Okay, so that's it for now. We have learned how to print the working directory. We have learned how to view the file type with the command file, and we have also learned a new wildcard, which is a star. That means everything or all files. That's it for now, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.